Okay, today we're talking about the PCT3 from Luna TrueClot, and Rescue Essentials, the master distributor. And so this product's available from us. It's a almost 4-in-1 product. We have the P for the packing. We can pack this gunshot wound penetration, and we also have a laceration over here for packing that we can do our packing training on. Nice realistic looking wound there. So we do the P for packing, laceration, and penetration, the C for compression with a compression wrap, and the T for the tourniquet. So 3-in-1, 2 wounds to pack, 2 wounds to compress, 1 to tourniquet. All right, now we're going to talk about the P part of the CPT3, and that's the packing part. And we can do this both as a dry and a wet packer. So we'll start and we'll do the dry here. And again, we've got the hand over hand, finger over finger, going into the cavity, circumnavigating around there, get it full, put this on top. Normally we're going to hold pressure for 3 minutes, and then what we're going to do is we would apply the compression dressing, the emergency trauma dressing from Rescue Essentials. All right, we're still working here with the PCT3. Packing, we showed you dry. Now we're going to show you wet packing. Get our Luna TrueClot blood out here, and we can just put a little bit into our wound. Get that cavity full. And we can use this like the Luna TrueClot task trainer. Again, when it's wet, we use more gauze. That causes a more realistic application. Takes more to fill the wound cavity. Again, we'll get it up there. We're full. We hold our pressure, and we go to C, PCT3. That's the compression wrap. There you have it. Compression part here. Out comes our emergency trauma dressing from Rescue Essentials with the pad. And we'll go ahead and we'll get that pad over the top of our wound. Bring that around. Keep going. Bring that around. We can actually put a little twist in this if we want. Drive some pressure down over the top of our wound packing. Again, PCT3 packing, compression, tourniquet. Bring this around at the end. We can hook that in. One side, other side. There we have it. Slides easily over as we're bringing it up the leg from the bottom. And we want to be not over the joint, that's important, and about 2 to 3 inches above the wound. And that's where we can get it on this trainer. We'll snug this up here, bring that around. We'll start with our windlass here. Get our cranks on it, around, apply our timestamp, and there we have it. That's the tourniquet portion of the PCT.